Oracle is also trying to get their feet into the generative AI. Recently, they added this feature of SQL Dialogs into Oracle Digital Assistant, and it is gaining a lot of popularity out there. SQL Dialog translates a user's natural language question, also known as utterance, into SQL queries using generative AI. It runs that query on the database to gather results and display them in the chatbot. It shows the interpretation in simple natural language and SQL query that the user can validate the results. SQL Dialog doesn't require users to predefine utterances or prompts for training purposes or create custom components for backend connectivity. This just works out of the box. On your screen, you can see the example from the Oracle blog, and I will drop the link in video's description, where on the top, user is simply asking, can you show me all the employees in the Big Apple? Then this generative AI tool converts Big Apple to New York and then modify the question that I think you want to see show all the EMP where the department location is New York, and then it returns the result. And behind the scene, it is converting this natural language question or prompt or utterance into a SQL query and then returning the results. To top that off, it is also then asking the user if it was helpful or not. And this is the way uh, this model is going to improve itself or self-learn. I believe this is a great tool, and Oracle has really done a wonderful job here, and this is only going to improve in the future. So I believe after having worked with Oracle for like 20 years and writing all those queries, subqueries, and nested queries, this is a great blessing. Unfortunately, as I speak, this feature of SQL Dialog is quite basic. This doesn't support the complex queries. It only support basic SQL clauses like select, from, where, group by, having, order by, and limit. Also, it can only have up to two joins. If you need joins more than that, you might have to use some custom training dataset, which really seems quite cumbersome at the moment. SQL Dialogs also doesn't support at the moment the more complex queries that involve subqueries and set operations like intersect, union, accept, and none. It also doesn't support non-English queries, queries that request a yes or no response, queries with pronouns, and follow-up queries. But I believe in the future, this is going to change. So this is it, guys. In this video, I just wanted to give you a quick introduction to this SQL dialog. In the upcoming videos, I'm also going to show you a demo of it and how to get started with it uh, with a hands-on demo. I hope that you enjoyed it. And again, I will put the link to this blog post where I picked this image. Thanks for listening. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.